name is Tango. Load VS Code, learn and enjoy the video. Welcome back guys, hoping you're having an amazing day. If not, your day is going to get even better, as in this video I'm going over the 5 tools to help you design stunning websites. Although the video is about web design, some of these tools can be used in different cases, like motion design with SVGs or Photoshop with Unsplash. If this excites you, make sure to subscribe and like to show your feedback. The first one we have here is Figma. I've showcased this tool many times on other websites, on other videos. However, this is one of the best prototyping tools which is free. You can use this web browser view or download it as a desktop application. In short, you can design easily and without worry of messing up, as removing elements from frames is easier than removing code. If you want to take making websites seriously, then this is a good place to start. Here is a quick overview of the tool. So the next one is all about free media files. I know finding good pictures and videos is hard, especially when it's free, but Unsplash and Pexels do a great job when finding photography and videography for you and for you to use for absolute free. This is great for beginners who do not know how to take professional pictures, or don't know how to make or don't have the money to hire a photographer. All these images are free, and it works by giving the author your thanks. Some of these images are gold, and you can even use different websites than Unsplash or Pexels, but you may need to give credit for some of them. Another place you can find some good media files is Font Awesome. This is where you find SVGs where you can use as icons. SVGs are great with animations, especially the one with Font Awesome, as it maintains a simplistic design. It comes with the two plans. The free one, which is restricted with free icons, and you must credit Font Awesome somewhere in your website, or the subscription plan, where you can choose any icons and don't need to credit them at all. Personally, I use the free plan as most of the free icons are good enough. The next one is Undraw. Undraw is great for detailed SVGs. These are good for certain styles of websites, and since they are SVGs, they can be animated. However, it may be a bit tricky. It's great to use their SVGs to add a bit of spice to your design. He has some examples of undrawn images you could possibly use in your next project. Finally, we got color inspos. Color can be tricky for most designers, but with the website, you can easily get your color palette to whichever mood you want. Simply go to the site, click to the color palette, and then click the color schemes you like the most. One other color tool I can recommend is Flat UI Colors. This has amazing singular colors to do with culture rather than mood. This tool may be handy. To you at one point. So that's the 5 tools to make study websites. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like. It shows I did my job well, and it also shows that you're enjoying the videos I'm uploading. My name is Tango, and thank you for watching my video.